At L&S we retail spare parts to the construction industry, to plant hire. We've grown very strongly over the last 10 years. We've nearly quadrupled in size in terms of turnover. We became interested in the robotic solution. It's allowed the business to grow. It's a natural progression for us to carry on with the automation into the warehouse.
The goods-to-person solution system here is designed to reduce that walking through the warehouse to allow them to fulfill orders a lot smoother and a lot quicker than what they would have done traditionally in their manual warehouse.
We're currently storing 30,000 SKUs, 50,000 bins, 650 racks and 40 robots.
Once you get to know how it works, once you get to know the system, you just get absolutely amazed with it. The operation has been transformed. We can now handle twice as many orders in a shift.
We're picking about 1,000 to 1,100 lines at a station in an 8-hour shift. The warehouse workers were walking 8 to 10 miles a day. The robots now do all the travel and the walking. We've got a pick-to-light system which highlights the bin to pick from. Because we're at a fixed station as well and we're not trying to do the operation at the bin in a busy warehouse, we've seen our pick error rate reduce by half.
I couldn't imagine the life at L&S without them. I just can't. At the moment we're doing picking. It's the easiest part, you just follow the screen. It shows us the bin number, we've got the quantity, you've got the light which shows you exactly where the bin is. Scan the part number, pick it, check the quantity, print the label and after just scan it into the top. It's so easy.
The customers have definitely noticed the change because now they get their spare parts delivered in individual bag, labelled with the part number and the order reference, making it easier for them when they need to reorder.
We work very closely with Ian and his team here so they can empower the solution themselves. They're constantly looking for those micro improvements to try and get more and more and to get a faster ROI than what they've currently got with this solution.
We've seen about 30% improvement just on throughput since day one, just with these micro improvements.
We're using intelligent algorithms here in part of our pick rules process to determine that we need to store stock in multiple locations to give us a better hit rate, to make that available for multiple people at the same time. Well, if we want to expand storage, we add more racks. If we want to increase throughput, we add more workstation and robots. It's completely flexible.
We have doubled our pick rate, our error rate has reduced and we can handle twice as more orders. I think that's just amazing.
Empowering the client is one thing. Having the confidence as a client to know that there's someone behind you with all that expertise is the next thing. And that's where us as a partner long-term with L&S engineers come in.
Wise Robotics are still very involved with us. We work closely together on ideas and improvements. The support is very good. We're looking to grow into new markets. We're looking at new products and new product ranges, new brands to work with. The robotic solution allows us to scale with that ambition.